Hello and welcome to this tutorial to show you how to reprogram a key fob for a 2010 Ford C-Max. Now we have the original key here which came with the car, but it was a spare, never used, and the battery subsequently went dead. Battery's been replaced, but it actually doesn't function anymore, so it doesn't unlock the doors. But the way to reprogram this is actually insert the key into the ignition barrel. You will see there's 3 markers there, 1, 2 and 3. What you want to do is put the key at 2 and alternate between 2 and 3 4 times, and you will hear the car bleep. So there it is in 2, and I'm going to go between 3 and 2 4 times, and you'll hear the bleep. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the bleep, and at this point, there you go, it's bleeped again. Unlock the boot. The lock won't work because obviously the driver's door's open. And the unlock button. And there you have it. The key now will work. This is actually quite similar to other Ford keys in the sense of reprogramming, that is. Sometimes you'll need to turn the key 8 times within the barrel. On this instance it's 4. Each of the Ford models will vary, but the operation is very similar. Hope you find this useful. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you again soon.